Rational numbers. Rational numbers means a number which is in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers, and p, q are co-primes, and q is not equal to 0. Then this number is called the rational number. Okay, what is the rational number? A number which is in the form of p by q, where p, q are co-primes, and q is not equal to 0. Then that number is called the rational number. Rational numbers means we can take any p by q form, 2 by 3, 3 by 7, 1, 0 and so on. Like this, so many numbers we will take a rational number. While we are using here in exercise 1.4 to prove the given number is irrational, then we don't take these type of numbers. Only basic form related only we have to take. Instead of p by q, we will take, by proving irrational numbers, we will take rational number form a by b. Okay, next we will go for the exercise 1.4. What is exercise 1.4? In real numbers. Which chapter it is? Real numbers. Okay, in real numbers, exercise 1.4. What is the question given there? Prove that the following irrational. Okay, we have to prove that following numbers are irrational. To prove the irrational numbers, we have to follow one method. That method is called proof by contradiction. Here we have to understand the word contradiction. Contradiction ante enti manaku teliyali first. Enti contradiction ante we have to prove irrational number. Irrational number opposite we have to take first. మనం irrational number opposite rational number తీసుకోవాలి. రేషనల్ నెంబర్ తీసుకొని సమ్ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది చేస్తాం. చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాము, వాటిని మనం తీసుకున్న ప్రాసెస్ అంతా చేసిన తర్వాత, ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ప్రాసెస్ we can conclude our assumption is wrong. We are taking wrong. Given number is not a rational number. We can finalize that given is irrational. Last ఏం చెప్తామంటే irrational అని చెప్తాం. అందులో ఒక సమ్ చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ in that one Roman first sum is given to you 1/√. Okay, we have to prove this number as irrational number. Okay, first we have to take this is irrational. We have to prove, but we have to take rational. We have to take here a rational. Let us assume that 1/√2 is rational. 1/√2 is rational. Okay, now 1/√2 is rational means that is in the form of p by q form. Here p by q form instead I taken here a by b. Here a b are any integers where a comma b are co-primes. And b is not equal to 0. Okay, why we are taking b is not equal to 0? If b equal to 0, the result is undefined. Okay, so we don't take it b equal to 0. Denominator always other than 0. Now we have to cross multiply these two. √2 into a equal to 1 into b, 1b. Now move a towards other side. √2 equal to b by a. Here b by a is a rational number. Rational. Since a, b are integers. A comma b are integers. Now we have to write the conclusion related to this one. What is the conclusion? B by a is rational. But already we proved that in previous class. √2 is irrational. But this contradict the fact √2 is irrational. Okay, so our assumption is wrong. Therefore, what is given here? 1/√2. So 1/√2 is irrational. Okay, this process is called prove by contradiction. Okay, first we have taken given number is rational. We do some process here. Okay, after conclusion we are getting that our assumption is wrong. Finally we can conclude 1 by root 2 is irrational. Okay, this is the one type of model. Okay, to prove the irrational number. Okay, next one in the same Roman only. Second one, okay, prove that the following is rational. In that only same model. Okay, next one, second one, prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, so some bit little different from the previous model it is. Some part you have to apply the some formulas here. Okay, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. We want to prove. Okay, first assume that. Let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, we have to prove irrational. So that opposite we have to take rational. Okay, root 3 plus root 5 equal to a by b. Rational means we have to take rational number form a by b, where a comma b are co-primes. A comma b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. Okay, now we have to take any one of the number that side, but I have to suggest you we have to take the big number only. Whenever if you take big number we will get the positive, otherwise we will get the negative. Both methods will be same only, but we have to take a big number towards the other side. Okay, take root 5 towards the other side. Root 3 equal to a by b minus plus root 5 becomes minus root 5. Okay, now we have to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Root 3 equal to a by b minus root 5. Both sides we have to square. Okay, root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means we can write 3 only. Okay, if you observe here, it is in the form of which formula? A by b minus root 5 whole square. That means this total part we can take a minus b whole square. What is the formula a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square equal to formula what is? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. We apply this formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we have to take a value as a by b and b value as root 5. That means a by b whole square plus and a value square plus b value square minus 2ab. Okay, once again listen. A minus b whole square. Here a value a by b value root 5. A by b whole square plus and a value square plus b value square minus 2ab. Okay, now we have to simplify that one. Okay, root 3 equal to a by b whole square means a square by b square. A by b whole square means a square by b square plus root 5 whole square means 5 only. Root 5 into root 5 only. Minus 2a by b root 5. Okay, from previous step we will simplify this one. Okay, now we have to move the terms. Okay, so to get the irrational number this side. Okay, now move this total part towards the LHS. Move this 3 towards the RHS. Okay, now move this one. Here we have minus sign. If we take on other side, it will be plus. That means 2a by b root 5 equal to a square plus b square plus 5 plus 3. It is. We have no sign there, means that is taken as plus. Plus if you take towards the RHS, it will be minus. 5 minus 3. 2a by b root 5 equal to a square by b square 5 minus 3 means plus 2 only we will get. Now cross multiply, take LCM addition. Okay, 2a by b root 5 equal to a square plus 2 into b square, 2b square. Here LCM will be b square, denominator b square, denominator b square. Now we have to cross multiply with the RH as well. Cross multiply, 2a multiply with b square, b multiply with the numerator. Okay, root 5 equal to a square plus 2b square by b square multiply b by 2a, b by 2a. Here b square is 2 b's are there. We here 1b will be cancelled, 1b will be remaining here. Here 1b will cancel. What is the final part? This is root 5 equal to a square plus 2b square by b into 2a, 2ab, 2ab. Okay, here solution, if you take a, b as any number integers, then it will be a rational. Is a rational. Is a rational. Is a rational. Okay, after that we can conclude that one. Conclusion we have to write. Okay, this is the some part of the sum. Remaining part I will write here. Okay, continuation that one. Okay, totally this is rational means this is also rational. But already we know root 5 is irrational. But this contradict the fact root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Okay, what is the taken first one? Root 3 plus root 5 is rational we taken. Our assumption is wrong means that is not a rational. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, this is very very important in exam point of view also. We have to take it first same model only. Proof by contradiction. First we will take a rational given. Later we will do the some process squaring on both sides. We will conclude that is the assumption is wrong, and we will conclude irrational number is given. Okay, next same model only, another one we will do here. Okay, in that Roman only, first Roman only, we have another model sum. What is the sum? Fifth question, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, we want to prove. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, we want to prove. Okay, we have to assume that, let us assume that root 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Rational means 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a by b. Where a comma b are co-primes. A comma b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. Okay, now it is very simple to us compared to previous sum. No need to squaring on both sides. Just move the terms. Okay, First we have to take 3 towards the RH. Okay, 2 root 5 equal to a by b minus 3. Okay, plus 3 becomes minus 3. Now take LCM subtraction. Okay, now LCM is b. We have to cross multiply these two. Okay, here denominator is 1. No number is there. So that is taken as 1. Now cross multiply these two. Okay, 2 root 5 equal to a minus 3b. A into 1 a, 3 into b, 3b. By 1 into b. Okay. We can cross multiply also, same only we will get. By taking LCM, which one we are getting, same only we will get here. Now, 2 root 5 equal to a minus 3b by b. Here 2 is extra is there, root 5 beside. Okay, that one also we have to move. Okay, 2 also move. Root 5 equal to, here 2 is multiplying. If you go on the other side, it will be divide. One side multiplying number, another side divide. That means a minus 3b by 2b. Now, if you observe here, a, b are any numbers if you taken. Already we taken co-primes. if you replace those numbers, we will get a rational number only. So we can write is a rational, is a rational, is a rational. But this contradict the fact root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Now this whole part is rational. Then immediately it will be rational. But this can't. What is the fact? Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. So these two are not matching. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయి మాత్రమే ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. విచ్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ దోస్ ఓన్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఈక్వల్. Okay, this is rational, this is rational. Both are different. So our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is therefore, what is the starting statement here? 3 plus root 5. 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Irrational. Is irrational. This is the completion of this one. Okay, next one. Second one, what they are given? Prove that root p plus root q is irrational. In exercise 1.4 only, we have another sum. Second Roman. Up to now we got here numbers. Instead of numbers, variables are given here. We have to prove this is irrational. Prove that root p plus root q is irrational. First time solution. Okay, solution. Let us assume that root p plus root q is rational. Root p plus root q is rational. Okay, rational means root p plus root q equal to a by b, where a b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. Now we have to remember that one while doing this model. Any one of that term we should move. Okay, after only hard squaring on both sides. Okay, now I want to move q towards the other side. I want to move q or p, our wish that one. Okay, I want to move p, okay, or q, our wish that one. I want to move q and RHS. Okay, if you plus root q, it becomes, it is here minus root q. Plus root q అనేది చూసేమవుతుంది minus root q అవుతుంది. అంటే root p equal to a by b minus root q. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides, what is root p square a by b minus root q square. Okay, now root p square means root p into root p, p only. Okay, it is in the form of which formula? A minus b whole square formula. This part is take as a by b take as a minus root q take as b. A minus b whole square formula what is? A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square formula what is? A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a value a by b, b value root 2. Now apply that formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab, 2ab. Okay, while taking a means a by b, while taking b means root q. Okay, now b equal to, simplify this one. A by b whole square means a square by b square plus root q square means root q into root q, q minus 2a by b root q. Now we will do simplification further. We have to move the 2a by b root q towards the LHS, p towards the RHS. Okay, now move those terms. Okay, now move 2a by b root q equal to a square by b square plus q minus p. Okay, from previous steps we are moving from LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. Now we have to take an LCM for these. Okay, 2a by b root q equal to a square plus, okay, here denominator b square, that is only LCM. Multiply each term with these two, p, q. Okay, q into b square minus p b square, Why we are multiplying here? Here no denominator is there. Denominator is 1. So if you take LCM, we will get b square. So we have to multiply b square here and here also. Whole divided by b square. Now cross multiply these two. 2a by b. Cross multiply. Q equal to a square plus qb square minus pb square by b square multiply. Cross multiplication after b by 2a we will get on other side. Okay, now here 1b, here 1b cancel after we will get a 1b remain at the denominator part. Okay, root q equal to a square plus qb square minus pb square by 2a into b means 2ab. Okay, if you observe here a, b values we are getting here. That means by simplifying, replacing the a, b values, any integers if you replace, it will be, this total part will be rational. Is a rational. Is a rational. Okay, in previous sums also we are, one side we are getting rational. Root number is the, that is the irrational. Previously we are getting. So, but this contradict the fact root q is irrational. Root q is irrational. Okay, so our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Oh, so our assumption is wrong means that is not a rational. So irrational. What is the irrational? Root, therefore root p plus root q is irrational. Okay, these are very very important models for the for the examination also. Okay, many times they ask you for 4 marks question, so we have to practice. Okay.